Today, we'd like to share how to change the fire display panel. In the fire security system inspection, we found some equipment need to be replaced. We need to purchase alarm host compatible equipment, encoder, smoke sensor, fire display panel. Some smoke sensors and heat sensors in the underground garage need to be replaced. We need to encode the new detectors. Take a base first. Connect it to encoder. Just replace the probe. Use the same base. You can encode all the detectors. Check out the design and installation drawings of the fire alarm system. If there is no, recollect points and make drawings. Encoding according to the address code of the replaced device. You can accurately display the location of alarm points. This is the fire display panel, one for each floor. It will display the information of the alarm floor. It will make an alarm sound when the system alarms. The horn is in the upper left corner. There are 4 contacts on the board. 2 are signal wires. The other 2 are power wires. This is the back of it. This is where the line comes in. This is where to fix to the wall by a lock screw. The front panel has buttons and indicators. Remove the faulty fire display panel. Take the base of the new fire display panel. Wire up the new fire display panel. This is a 4-wire fire display panel. Blue and white are signal lines. Red and black are power lines. Wire the lines well. Fix the fire display panel on the wall. Note the horizontal alignment. Fit the fire display front panel. The